continue.
Papa, good afternoon. Mama,
Aike,
good afternoon.
where are you going with the bag?
I need to go into the city so I can make some money and come back and take care of you.
Ike, I have told you severally to join me. Let's start making good music. There is future in the music industry.
Papa,
One song is enough to change your life.
Papa, we both don't have the same career. I'm a graduate. I can go into the city. With my certificate, I can get a job with that oil company and make some money so I can come and be of help. We need a lot of money at home.
So, do you know anyone that can help you in the city?
Yes, big sister is in the city. And I'm a man. I can take care of myself. You didn't raise a weak man, Dad.
Well, your wish is my command. I wish you well.
Just be
Thank you,
careful.
Daddy. Thank you, Mommy.
And be very prayerful.
I'll do just that.
Safe journey.
Children of nowadays, once they make up their mind, nothing will change it.
Where are you going all dressed up like this?
I'm going into the city. I told you I'm going into the city to hustle so I can make some money. I'll take care of Mama. And then Mama has cancer.
I know you told me, but I didn't know you are serious about it, eh?
And also your husband has not been available. So let me go and make some money so I can take care of Mama and also take care of you.
Okay. I'm scared. I'm worried because I know there is no work out there. I know.
Don't worry. I'll be fine.
I listen, it is better we stay and manage what we have here because there's no job out there.
Don't worry, sis. I can't leave you. I can't leave Mama. I can't leave you guys in this condition. I need to go into the city and make some money so I can come back and take care of both of you.
What if anything happens? Who's going to take care of Mama now? Look at me.
Don't worry. If I'm a man, I'll take care of myself. Okay? Don't worry. I'll be fine, okay? I'll be fine. I need to play now.
I hope this is not going to take 3 years.
No. It's just going to be for a short while. Take care of yourself, huh?
I can't please.
I can bring the juice now. What is this to do for John?
After I come home.
Yeah, bring her first. Ike. Okay, there's something I want to tell you. Okay. You see, you're a very hard-working man. Not just hard-working, you're a nice man. I love your passion for the work. It's of truth you're a graduate, you went to the university. But you go understand, say that place, na theory. Here, na practical. Theory and practical, they no be mates. But you are coping, you are doing well. Take a look at this, my boys. Look at them. You see this one especially. You see this one? Don't deal with me for only God, no. He's as old as Methuselah. You know sabi anything. You know one graduate. Where Jumbo?
Never come.
Where Kabiru?
Never
Where James? They see him. Tomorrow they go say my promote them. See this one. When he come, he dey do good. Until this one poison in mind. See him. Take. Just. What will happen is that I don't want to make my company fold. I've decided to make you head of all of them. We are now their new head. You will be their boss.
Sir. But they are my seniors. I don't want any trouble.
You say? See waiting. This are nothing senior. This ones, they no want retire. Now person where they senior, now person where sabi work. They are good for nothing. Take! Go fit this company, not where you sabi. See farm belt where I give you. Make you fist. You no sabi anything. You don't even know where they fist at. Come on, go inside. Mugu. See this is someone that you were telling me you're senior. You know sabi work. You are, how many months where don't they here? But you are far smarter and better than all these people. See them. Every day I'll keep shouting. Where give me this thing. No, give me that one. So you see, this one, big get up. You dey see am?
Yes, sir. Esther, what's up, baby?
I'm fine.
Sit down, man. Sit down, sit down, call your name.
I need money for jam registration. I've been eating things.
No worry, they see money, I dey see money for here. That school where I know go, where my family no go, you go go this school.
Thank you.
You go go, even US, you go go this school. Thank God say you don't even come here myself. I won't buy food. Say you don't eat.
Yes, I've eaten.
No. I go come my shop, you no go eat. Take, go buy food for yourself, buy for myself.
Okay, thank you very much.
Jacob, where are you? When I come here? Una want to go that way? Or better on that? Una normally find a proper place where I be. When I walk up at there.
Please, senior, I will tell. Good day, yeah? Okay, sir. I have. Okay. Yes, sir. You see this car? Yes, sir. Will I say it's still a leak steering oil? Huh? So what you do is you go there, you fix it, tighten it. Huh? Yes, sir. Please, I hand this car over to you. No carry and give this to a way they see the
Take care of it.
I beg you. I'll do it. Ma rush, leave wish like boy. Ma buy 1 or 2 things. Come, sir. Okay. Take care, yeah?
Thank you, sir.
All right, take care. I'm coming.
Take care of yourself, oh. All right, sir. Now, not finish for dinner. No, you know small. I only find a flop for you. I know a joke, oh. Hi, kid. Thank God say you got off from work, man.
How far?
We get your follow you talk.
Okay, wait a minute.
That between you and Oga, she just come shop new. Oga just dey hand over things to you. For this shop, now we be Oga. Oga not come out. So if I tell you something, me go do am. And I have 5 o'clock. I make sure see me call this shop, call sweep here. See all those 2 small boys. Since they call shop, they fear me. So I won't make you. They fear me. As I dey like this, Oga they insult me. You they laugh. I dey see say they laugh. For that side, on a learn book. Yeah, na practical they do. No, wait. We get rules for this shop what they do. If I dey talk, nobody dey talk. Ask them we did that side.
I beg you now work I can't.
Oga calm down first. I dey follow you talk. No, Oga dey follow you talk. No talk. Until I finish to talk. Shey you get. So if you want your fan bet, tell me say you want your fan bet. For this shop, they flog people. I get boys wey senior pass you, they flog them because they say they no come, they fear me. So from today, if you come, any food wey Oga give you, you give me. That will be the head of this shop. I like food too much. Oga say I like food too much. Any food wey Oga give you, you give me. Shey you get. And if you come shop, before you go out, you go fetch water for me. I go bath. Any money you work, you give me. Shey you get. I don't follow you talk like this. If you like, if Oga come, I go to Oga for back. Oga go call me. Then tomorrow, I go use fan bet, flog you. No matter you big, I will still beat you. I don't tell you.
Hey, wow. This kind of work, I just can't work like this. This boy is just the oppress, the intimidate me. So where?
What? What's happening now? What? What's happening? Oh, but what did they do you now? Say that until this thing fall on top of my head, you dey mad? Let me give you one. When you can't do all this, come carry this to come up for you. I can't leave me, Jare. Now me you dey open eye for. Bobby, keep quiet, Jare. Make a quick. I go wipe you this thing. Bobby, keep quiet. Every time you call this shop. You don't open eye for me. Bobby, now you. I go wipe you something.
What's the problem?
With that, call this shop.
Oga, more than come assist make I feel this thing come up for here. I don't got time here.
With that, call this shop. I go wipe you. Wait, I call the shop. Wait, call the open for me like that.
Now me you dey.
Say the one time here.
Me. Bobby, now you.
I don't talk for that.
You dey push me.
Okay.
Hey,
Wait.
Nothing concern for you.
Nothing concern with you. Make I just finish
Nothing concern
for here.
Now wait, I
I'm
call
not
the
gonna
shop.
time for this place.
Yeah, you dey mad. Wait, I call the shop, Bobby.
I go wipe you.
Bobby, nothing go
I'm
do.
you dey open eye for.
Nothing go do.
What is that problem?
Say you to the man.
Face your wall.
Dress what you dey do.
I can't reach you for light bulb. Come here.
Nothing go
I go knock.
Nothing go do.
You dey push me.
You don't divide. You don't divide. Leave her.
You don't kill am.
I didn't kill him.
You like say you dey mad abi?
Bobby,
You wipe am with this thing.
He's gone.
One day dey gone. Your papa dey whine me.
But there you are. What happened to my brother?
See wetin you take wipe your brother.
My brother.
You dey mad.
My
You dey mad.
brother. My brother. What happened to my brother? What happened to my brother?
I didn't kill anyone. No, it's not me.
This guy don't kill anyone. Men are come.
It's not me.
Make una come.
My brother.
He don't kill anyone.
Why?
Like say you dey mad now abi? You dey mad.
What happened?
He kill am.
But there you are.
Jagaban baba. Ọlọ́run daga. Mo kí yín Ọlọ́run mo kí yín. Jagaban. Baba mo kí yín Ọlọ́run.
Bobby.
Baba.
Bobby.
Ìgbà mo rí ẹ. Baba afa Jagaban. Wọ́n ti pọ̀ ọmọ yín o. Ọlọ́run AY ti kú. AY don die. AY don die. You get one guy for my working.
Which AY you talk about?
For our calm down, Baba. You get one guy for our workshop. His name na IK. They get one quanta. You guys just carry one iron, wipe am for head.
You mean my own AY? I want AY.
Eh? Yeah.
Bobby, please.
You must be joking.
Bobby.
Bobby.
Baba. Jagaba. Baba.
AY wo?
AY ti ń sẹ́.
Jagaban. Kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ gan-an?
Wọ́n fún
Puja.
Baba.
2 seconds.
AY.
Bobby.
Àní mo fà á. Èmi gan mo fà mo. Mo fọ́ fún iṣẹ́, mo fún wá, mo fún tú. Ọmọ ẹ̀ ó kó fà mí, ó dé ọ̀họ́ níṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run.
You come here. Bucha. Bucha. You hear what I hear? You know Bucha. You go follow her. You come here. You go follow her. With her. I'll go beat that boy. Dead or alive. Oh, you know him. You know him, Baba. You know him. Bucha. That boy. I need him dead or alive. I go deliver. In fact. Baba.
I need that boy.
Baba.
Okay, Baba. I want to chop it.
Oh, they know him, please.
You
know him, please.
I know you please.
I'm going to go. Yes.
Make it up.
Come over here. Hey. Come.
No. You.
Let them go do that stuff first. If the thing, they beat that boy come here.
Do anything.
I love that.
For this wood,
Jagaban.
I can't happen now.
After
You know now. It can.
Sit down.
Sit down.
Sit down. Guys, this place now.
My own person.
And that day, say, me, I see everything with my eye. And they tell me, oh, my boy, oh,
Am I correct? My own person. Ah. As in,
I don't back correct, sir.
èèyàn tèmi, my own person. Ah, no, kò jẹ́ ire. No.
See, I did there. You think they be like, say, you know, I say like a fee, you understand?
Don't see anybody. Don't touch everywhere. Don't see am at all.
Now check the back.
Don't see anybody.
All the corner.
Don't see am. Don't check everywhere. Don't check everywhere. We don't see am. Actually.
Come, where? No, thank you. Where is that gate? Oh, you live there now?
Yes, I don't
You
know.
live here?
I don't know exactly.
What are you up to this morning? When did you become a cow?
It's not a cow. Good morning. I'm just trying to make a list. I'm tired of staying at home, not doing anything. I want to see if I can start selling some good in front of.
It's not a bad idea. It's a lofty idea, but you have to exercise some patience because I am expecting some payment. You look what? Remember I told you Don Jazzy will soon sign me, their record label. And once they sign me, they will drop this bulk money. I'll give you for even more money, not even 400,000 now, to start your business. Let me even see what you're writing. Basket of onion, 100,000. Bags of 100,000.
If you give me the 400, it will be okay.
I will, until I get the payment that I'm telling you about.
Okay.
Yes, very, very soon. Just brace yourself. I'll put a smile, a big smile on your face. Thank
you.
Can you come put that?
Okay. Oh, bye-bye. Don't just
Boy, don't go.
I don't go.
But you go do like this.
We got him. Don't forget, boss said dead or alive. Him got him. Oh, what's happening?
Hey, Uja,
Uh-huh.
that guy kicked me for wrong place, so.
Well, pack your ball, where they go? Pack your ball, where they go?
Hey.
Watch full video on our YouTube channel and subscribe.